I told you last night on the live stream that this was going to happen this week. I told you on the live stream last night that we had 4 triple digits last week, and I'm going to roll into this week. And I think we're going to have the opportunities to capitalize on more triple digit gains. And I told you, I have a goal for members of True Trading Group. I have a goal for the moderators and the members of True Trading Group this month to break the record of 20 triple digit gains in October. I want 21 in November. And it's November 6th, and we have 6 triple digit gains already alerted inside True Trading Group. I have a video clip of you from last night's live stream that I want to share with you here right now. Usually I come on these lives and I'm like, hey, go ahead, take a look at my live stream last night. If you missed it, it's on this YouTube channel, which it is. And I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I don't come on these live streams and I tell you, hey, this is what happened yesterday. Hey, this is what happened today. I tell you exactly what I think is going to happen tomorrow. Now I'm sitting here telling you I think the markets are going to give you a pullback between Tuesday until Wednesday, and I'm going to look to capitalize on that move to the downside. But yesterday I told you that I believed that there's going to be tremendous volatility this week with all the Fed members speaking, the market's coming off a big rally. And I told you very specifically that I plan on hitting multiple triple digit gains this week. I've got a video clip from last night's live stream. Again, this is not right now. This is from last night's live stream in case you missed it. Let's go ahead and play that clip. Hey, listen, if you're not a trader, you probably hate Mondays. But as a trader in this market environment, with this kind of opportunity, with this type of action, I love Mondays. I can't wait. I wish it was 9:04 a.m. I wish the market was opening in 26 minutes. I can't wait for tomorrow morning because this market's been on a tear. We've been on a tear inside True Trading Group. And folks, I'm just looking for more triple digit gains. I want to see if we can top October's record. October with the 20 triple digit gains was our best month of the year in True Trading Group. It was the most amount of triple digit gains that we've had called out, alerted, and capitalized on from members. 20 in 1 month. I want to exceed that record in November. We are off to one hell of a start with 4 or 5 of them already, only 3 trading days into the month. And I want to see if we can keep that streak going. And I got some phenomenal trade ideas I'm going to share with you on this live stream. Very specific price action I expect from the markets this week. I want to show it to you. I want to give you my trade ideas. And I'm going to tell you some spots where I think we can capitalize on some of those triple digit gains this week. There you have it. That was just last night. That was last night, me telling you, hey guys, I'm laying out the game plan for you. We're getting some more triple digit gains this week. And that's why I'm saying congratulations to all of our new members that joined yesterday. We had a lot of people that joined, took advantage of the Black Friday, Thanksgiving, Veterans Day sale that kicked off last night. So congratulations to all of you that jumped in on that. What I will do here with you guys first is let's talk about some of those triple digit gain trades. And let's start with Airbnb. So we had over 100% gain on put options on Airbnb. And then we had 100% gain on to the long side on LIFW, a small cap short squeeze. Now, Airbnb was a beautiful play off of a beautiful resistance level. And this is a textbook support when broken becomes resistance. You guys will learn this stuff as a member of True Trading Group. But as you guys can see, it does not take an experienced chartist like, yeah, I've been doing this for over 17 years, but you don't need to be doing this for 17 years to be able to see that this was a nice little level of support for Airbnb right around this $123 level. You guys can see that you broke it in the middle of October and then you bounce back into it, resistance. And now look at this bouncing back into it again and resistance. And for good measure, you've got that yellow line. That's the 200-day moving average that you guys can see on my screen. So what happened today? Shai, one of our moderators in True Trading Group, stepped in today. Once you saw that rejection up there at Friday's highs. So there's Friday's highs. I'll just show it to you. Right there it is. There's Friday's highs. There's that resistance from Friday. And then there's resistance there this morning. And as soon as this thing tried to break through, failed, and then dropped back to the downside and went red, as soon as the stock went red, Shai stepped in right there and bought put options on Airbnb at $1.25 was the entry, the $120 strike, Friday expiration put. And this thing just absolutely collapsed, rolled out of bed, and she starts ripping profits off the table, well over $3 a contract. Just an unbelievable move on Airbnb. This is, you're talking about a triple digit gain that was entered, capitalized, and exited before lunchtime. This is not some type of thing that you got to sit in front of your computer screen all day, every day. This is get into the trade, get out of it an hour later, capitalize on a 100% gain, and and call it a day. Think about what you'd be able to do with the rest of your day if you hit 100% banger in the first hour and a half of the day. What would the rest of your day look like? What would you do with the rest of your time? Would you spend time with family? Would you maybe work on a hobby? Would you maybe go to the gym, go to the spa, go shopping? Maybe just go take a nap? Okay, whatever the hell you would do. But that is a type of environment that we have in this market. This is just a textbook support. Once broken, becomes resistance. All of my members that are part of my accelerator program, we went over the difference between major levels versus minor levels. You can very clearly see in that daily chart of Airbnb that this is a major level of resistance. And the second that the market stops moving higher, listen, this is a weak stock. All right. You take a look at what Airbnb has done over the last week of trading. Look what the overall market did in the last week of trading. Look at this move to the upside on the SPY. Look at this move to the upside on the NASDAQ. What did Airbnb do while the markets were doing that? Absolutely nothing. So all it took was one day for the markets to stop moving higher. That's all it took for Airbnb to start moving back to the downside and for that resistance to come into play. This is textbook support becomes resistance. This is also textbook relative strength, relative weakness type of trading. And that's another trading style and a trading strategy that you guys will learn in True Trading Group is how to identify relative weakness to be able to capitalize on these trades. That's exactly what members of TTG did. Congratulations, all my members of True Trading Group that hit on that Airbnb trade with Shy. Congrats, congrats, congrats.